कल रात क्या हुआ? What happened last night? What happened last night? तुम किस समय घर जाती हो? What time do you go home? What time do you go home? चाहे जो हो जाए, come what may. Come what may. जाने भी दो, let it be. Let it be. उतर जाओ, get off. Get off. क्या आप मुझे 100 रुपये उधार देंगे? Can you lend me 100 rupees? Can you lend me 100 rupees? सब रुपए खर्च हो गए. All the money has been spent. All the money has been spent. क्या तुम्हें गाड़ी चलानी आती है? Do you know how to drive a car? Do you know how to drive a car? लड़ने झगड़ने से बात का हल नहीं होगा. Fighting will not settle anything. Fighting will not settle anything. मैं नौकरी बदलने की सोच रही हूँ. I am thinking of changing job. I am thinking of changing job. उसने जैसे बताया था मैंने वैसे किया. I did it the way he told me to. I did it the way he told me to. मुझे नहीं पता वो कब आएगा. I don't know when he will come. I don't know when he will come. कल मेरा जन्मदिन है. Tomorrow is my birthday. Tomorrow is my birthday. अपना मुंह इस तरफ मोड़ो. Turn your face this way. Turn your face this way. मैं रविवार को काम पर नहीं जाता. I don't go to work on Sunday. I don't go to work on Sunday. काश कल बारिश हो जाए. I hope that it rains tomorrow. I hope that it rains tomorrow. मैं ट्रैफिक जाम में फंस गया था. I was stuck in a traffic. I was stuck in a traffic. मुझे आपकी मदद करके खुशी होगी. I will be pleased to help you. I will be pleased to help you. वो किसी भी चीज़ से नहीं डरती है. She is not afraid of anything. She is not afraid of anything. वो किसी भी चीज़ से नहीं डरती है. उनके पास रहने के लिए कोई घर नहीं है. They have no house to live in. They have no house to live in. उसके नौकरी का कोई भविष्य नहीं है. There is no future in his job. There is no future in his job. इस समस्या को सुलझाना बहुत कठिन है. This problem is hard to solve. This problem is hard to solve. तुम किस तरह का काम करोगे? What kind of work will you do? What kind of work will you do? वो बस से आया था कि ट्रेन से? Did he come by bus or by train? Did he come by bus or by train? यहाँ पर कल फिर मिलते हैं. Let's meet here again tomorrow. Let's meet here again tomorrow. तुम्हें जो अच्छा लगता है ले लो. You may take anything you like. You may take anything you like. मानो या ना मानो ये तो सच है. Believe it or not, that is true. Believe it or not, that is true. घर में सब कुछ ठीक है. Everything is all right at home. Everything is all right at home. इसे जल्द से जल्द ख़त्म करो. Finish these as soon as possible. Finish these as soon as possible. अपने हाथ इस तौलिए से पोंछिए. Wipe your hands with this towel. Wipe your hands with this towel. वो उनके सवालों का जवाब नहीं दे सकता. He cannot give answer their questions. He cannot give answer their questions. वो हर सुबह अखबार पढ़ता है. He reads the paper every morning. He reads the paper every morning. मुझे एक ज़रूरी कॉल करनी है. I have an important call. I have an important call.